Vicks VapoRub, mass produced worldwide. Did you know that Vicks inhalers, specifically inhalers, are banned in Japan? And there are reasons behind it. Some people also have had allergic reactions to Vicks. And there are some studies that have shown that it has caused inflammation in the eyes and inflammation in the lungs. So I personally prefer to avoid it as much as possible. But yeah, if you use it, it's not going to kill you. But the goal in this life is to be as organic and as natural as possible. So if you are someone who's always looking for organic alternatives, you can hit the follow button.